My question is, in China, Alipay and WeChat,
Yes.
digital payments,
Yes.
in the trillions. In the US, only 60 billion maybe from mobile payments.
Because there's fragmentation. So go ahead, what's it gonna take?
Yeah, I'm saying why isn't the US
Yeah.
lagging behind? Yeah.
The reason the US is lagging behind is because the giant internet companies in China are fully integrated. If Apple and Facebook merged tomorrow, you'd have it.
Yeah.
The end.
Yeah.
Like, you know, it's just the dynamics. Look, there's one thing that people give credit to the Chinese entrepreneurs that isn't taken into account, which is the government involvement matters.
Yeah.
Like, that's not how the US works. You know, Steve Jobs wasn't able to call at the time George Bush and say, you know that Facebook thing that's emerging? Yeah, just, I need that.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, so like, you know, I love when, and listen, as you can see, my energy is so pro-Asia, plenty pro-China, but we can't forget that the big dogs had competitive government advantages that created a full stack. In the US, it's called Apple, Amazon, and Facebook. In China, it's just all integrated. Yeah.